You're looking at smooth, creamy peanut butter, fresh off the production line. But how does it go from raw peanuts to this perfect spread? Let's take a look. It all starts with thousands of raw peanuts delivered straight from the farm. They're cleaned thoroughly to remove dust, dirt, and debris, prepping them for roasting. Next up, roasting. The peanuts are sent through giant ovens where they're roasted at high heat. This step brings out that rich, nutty flavor peanut butter is known for. Once roasted, the peanuts are cooled and quickly sent through blanchers to remove their skins. Only the clean, golden nuts move forward from here. The peanuts are then crushed and ground into a thick, oily paste. For smooth peanut butter, this paste goes through multiple grinding stages until it's perfectly creamy. Now it's time for flavor. Salt, sugar, and sometimes a bit of oil or stabilizers are added to enhance taste and texture. The mixture is blended until uniform and smooth. Next, the peanut butter is pumped into jars using high-speed filling machines. Each jar is sealed, labeled, and sent down the line for quality checks. And just like that, it's ready to hit the shelves. From field to factory, this is how peanut butter is made. Smooth, creamy, and ready for your next sandwich.